Nice truck.
Thank you. My grandfather did all the work to it.
Well, he did a good job.
Bobby talked to the woman and was going to do it next year. Well, a friend of Bobby said, well, why don't we have it this year? He said, well, we'll have to put one together. I put them together before, so he's going to talk to them. It's never going to happen. It's for kids 12 to 16 or something.
Yeah, and we can bring a gift.
Yeah.
Christmas gift for a kid in that age range.
Because that's an age range Bobby said that people don't give. You give to little kids, but not into the teens.
Yeah.
And they having that.
Neat or pretty?
It is a beautiful car.
It needs work. Constant work.
Don't all old cars need constant
pretty much.
work?
You need to.
I think even when they were new,
Yeah.
they needed constant work.
You gotta get a steering box. As soon as you got the steering box, try to find one of them. You can't find one anymore.
No. Can it be rebuilt?
It could be rebuilt, but I didn't want to lay that.
Yeah. How long is that going to take?
I got a guy in Boise that'll rebuild it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I met him. He worked on it. When they kicked me out of the garden, he said, I can find the cylinder. I can buy one there for $2. And my friend was doing that. Rebuild kit, $300. I got just an old one. I can top get rebuilt. I don't know.
Maybe during. It'd be nice if you could nail somebody down. Yeah, this is a much better spot. Yeah.
This is a nice Cadillac. I don't know what it is about these Cadillacs, but I like these 59, 60, 61 Cadillacs a lot.
Is it 35, the other one? Yeah.
original motor.
That's pretty cool.
I don't know if they did it in 35 or not. Yeah, that one.
All kinds of cool details on these old cars.
That front.
Mm-hmm.
Indian head on the bumper.
That's pretty cool. Man, I'll tell you. That's a trailer pull.
No, keep going, yeah.
I know, but you don't want to be driving that too much. You want to park that thing.
I know.
You know, trailer it as much as you can. Well, if you're local and not too far, that's fine. But just like my Model A, I mean, I'll drive it around Boise, Nampa, Eagle and stuff, but I ain't gonna drive it. A little bit of a
I
ride.
live in Emmett, so
Yeah.
I don't like anymore. I don't like driving my car over the hill. You know.
I live in Star, and I don't like driving around Star.
Yeah, right.
You just moved to Star, right?
Yeah.
Where'd you live before? Meridian? You like Star better?
Good this year, but I don't think. Yeah, they. I got 400.
Where you at? Oh, they already built that up, huh?
I don't think you'll ever see gas over $2 a gallon.
My parents live in Meridian, and my aunt live in Eagle.
I used to be the president of Pontiac Club in San Diego.
Yeah.
Yeah, come with me to check it out. We're kind of looking for a president right now. I used to be the president, and I kind of gave it up. I run the car show. We have a car show up here. It's a BOP, Buick Rolls, Pontiac, GMC, Cadillac. You got an opening here. We can't sit for the first.
This car not completely restored.
That Pontiac, that was right behind you.
Nothing there. Or best in show, those two, the only two that. Yeah, I don't know.
I done.
All right, yourself?
Remember you taking pictures of that before?
Yep.
What was the word before 208?
The car show guy, and then 208 because we're 208 area code.
Yeah.
There's a million car show guys out there, but it's the car show guy 208.